So I'm getting my hair done myself because hairstylists have become super expensive and I know how to braid, so why not? So I got these extensions from the beauty supply store, and the extension rack, I got it from Amazon, and that was all it took me and my time to get my hair all done. So here I was just trying to make sure I have enough extensions, to braid my hair. So maybe the next time I'll have to put this out will be when, I take a break. So I just wanted to finish this set of extensions that I have figured out. I got this 360 mirror from Amazon, and it was really a game changer, trying to see the back of my hair. Usually I've done braids myself without actually looking at the back of my hair, but I just wanted to give it a try, and it literally worked, and it helped me a whole lot, not stressing to turn my neck and my back. And I got this edge controller from the beauty supply too. So at this point I'm facing my bathroom mirror, and then I have the 360 mirror right behind me and by my side, so I'm able to see the sides of my head and the back of my head as well. And this is how it goes. So a little story, like based on some of the life-changing experiences I've had. I don't know if it's only me. I don't know. Do you feel like sometimes God really puts you in situations just to make you stronger? Like, I've been in situations where I didn't ask for. I'm like, God, why would you put me in this kind of situation? Like, who told you I was strong enough to go through this and handle this just the way you want me to? And he was like, girl, you have to go through this. And sometimes I feel like I'm the only one going through that. But when you hear people's stories, you would thank God for yours. Honestly, many people don't come out here talking about the things that are happening to them, as a person. They fake it. I've actually met genuine people who have told me their life experiences, be it marriage, be it with friendships, be it with business, be it with motherhood, be it with a whole career, be it as a mom, and as family members and their entitlement. So most of us, coming from Africa, we always have experiences so we have so much to say because a lot has happened to us. Like, just being African, you are bound to go through a lot. Like, worst of it is being Cameroonian. There's a post that says, first, as soon as you are born Cameroonian, you already have issues. Like, we come out here, like, we try our best, for our loved ones. It's not easy over here, but we do try our best, to make sure that there is food on the table for everyone else back home. And then we have these entitled family members. I don't know if it's just my own family. We have these entitled family members, like, you do things for them and they tell you it's little. Like, you trying to do something just so everyone can have a piece of the cake, and then this one person wants you to give them the lion's share when you have like 100 of them on the list to take care of, and one person wants the lion's share. And I'm like, this is very greedy. And me, for one, like, nobody, the only person that actually made me who I am today, aside God, is my mom. So I really don't owe anybody anything. If I'm doing anything for anyone, it should be out of my kindness, not necessarily what they did for me, because baby, let's run it all back. You know, it didn't do shit for me. So when we're talking about helping people, I've helped outsiders who appreciate me more than family, and that is okay. I really don't care about, you appreciating me, because I'm always sending help and I don't even want to receive a thank you, even though they won't even send it. So you buy stuff, you send it back home for people, and they tell you it's of low quality. Oh bro, you have high quality and high taste. Why don't you get them yourself? I don't owe you anything. I'm just trying to be nice. Like, you send them these things and they tell you, oh, it's low quality. It's the same like what they have back home. And I'm like, and you couldn't send something to me? Like, if it's the same quality, why didn't you send the one back home to me? You've never thought of sending me anything? All you people do is ask, being entitled to people that you never helped in the past. Like I keep saying, the only person that has helped me is my mom. Like, I don't owe anybody anything. I really don't owe anybody anything. If somebody comes up tomorrow and say I owe them anything, it's a big lie. It's only my mom. So if I'm doing something for a family member, it's out of my goodwill. I don't owe them anything. So you trying to do your best, to these people, and all they say is, oh, you didn't try enough, you just sent this to me. You're not even the only person that I sent that to. I had to make sure it goes around, Excuse me. Like, you're not the only family member I have. So what makes you think I only send that to you? And it's because when I'm sending things, I don't send it like making everyone know that I did this. Sometimes my sister will have to tell them herself, like, oh, she did this for this other person, and they're like, wow. So when I do people a favor, I don't say it, because like they say, your right hand should not know what your left hand is doing, your left hand should not know what your right hand is doing. That is what I do. And I do these things and people stay entitled, and I really don't know what to say. I don't know if it's just me or it's just my family, but I think many of my friends who are out here have said the same thing. Like, African families are so entitled, even when they haven't done anything for you in the past, and you're just trying to help them, and they're so entitled. And it doesn't cost me a thing to stop giving you, and it doesn't mean I'll stop being a giver. I will still give you, but not you. Okay? God didn't put me on earth to give just you. So if you start feeling entitled, like, I will just, cut you off my giving list, cancel your name next time I'm giving something, because by the way, you were so ungrateful. So why should I give you something? I'll give it to people who appreciate it. People who it will mean something to them. Maybe that low quality items that I send to you would mean something to somebody else. So I might as well not send you anything. Well, enough of them right now. My hair was looking amazing, and I was getting there, and this took me about 6 to 7 hours, because I started in the evening after I clocked out of work, and I started doing this when I clocked out of work, and it was just going so well. I just sat in the bathroom. I was on call with my friends. At some point, look at the bag. Oh my God, I did that alone. And it's the glow for me. I don't know, my voice is a little deep this morning. I feel like I'm having a cold, but it's alright. So I had my phone there, and I was on call with my friends. They kept me company throughout. I was calling different people at different intervals. Maybe if I call you for 1 hour, I'll call another person for the next 1 hour. That's my friends know me for this. I will literally use them to cook. If I'm about to cook late in the night and I need company, I'll just call someone, check on them, and they've noticed this about me. They'll be like, Kelly, I'm very sure you are cooking, or you're about to shower, or you're cleaning your house, so you use me to clean your house. I'm like, what else can I do? What are friends for? So yeah, so I was almost done here. I took breaks though. I took breaks and went got some food and I kept on going because I needed to finish his hair this night because I have a flight in the morning. So I needed to finish his hair and get it moving. I had not even packed my, my bag yet for my trip. So, but I didn't sleep this night though. I didn't sleep. So my flight was like 6 a.m. So I finished at around 2 a.m. I just showered and then got ready. And we are almost there, guys. We are almost there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yeah. And so like I was saying about these family members and people back home and the entitlement, like you go through a lot here and they're not aware. There are times when people lost their jobs here, like you literally lost your job and you're still extending a hand of help to someone and they disregard it. Do you know how painful that is? For me, I'm not going to say anything to you or try to make you to be grateful. What I'm going to do is just take your name off my helping list. And when I do that, baby, not even God can come down to change that, because I'll just take your name out. I don't care, because there are a lot of people that need help. And if one person is ungrateful, you better extend the help to others. It doesn't stop you from being a good person. It doesn't stop you from being a kind person. And it doesn't stop your blessings. Just move to the next person. There are thousands of people out there who need help. Like if you're helping someone with their fees and they're ungrateful, do you know how many people are out there that need fees? Like back home, you just send them $100. It's like their school fees. So I'm just going to put you aside and then work with those who really appreciate. Those who appreciate the help. At this point I was so tired. Those who really appreciate the help that you're giving, so you shouldn't stop being a good person because of one ungrateful person. Just extend the help to somebody else who needs it better than that person does. So yeah, I was done with my hair. I was trying to curl the edges with hot water. So I needed to braid. I don't know what I had to do then. Maybe I just needed to braid it. And I don't know why there was a break in my video, but here I just got my hot water and then soaked the edges just for those edges to be curly, and so when I trim them they're not gonna look so sharp. So that was literally what I was doing here. So yeah, don't stop being a good person because of some few ungrateful people that you've helped in the past. It's not about them, it's about you. It's about your covenant with God. It's about your heart. You can't change it. You can't change who you are. You're a good person. You can't change it because of some ungrateful people. Like, keep doing good. There's so many people out there who need help, who need kindness, who need you. Like, put yourself in service to those people. Like, if one bad egg just does something silly, you just move on to somebody who appreciates your help. Like, I don't even go back and forth with people anymore. Like, you're not grateful? Okay. So next time, I won't put you on my list. Good and fine. I don't need to do anything for you. You didn't send me to school. You didn't send me to America. So whatever I'm giving to you is out of my free will. You didn't do anything for me. You've not done anything for me before. So you look at that. So that was just, me and our little discussion today, while showing you how I went through my braiding the other night. And this was when I had gotten ready for my flight. I had showered and I was just trimming the edges now, so it looks beautiful. And then you see, okay, I had to trim that part again. I had to trim that part again, the one behind. And then we go with our mousse. Mousse is a lifesaver. Like, mousse is literally a lifesaver. Like, it helps with boho braids. It makes it look shiny, good finishes, and just slick edges. Like, yeah, I needed to trim that part again. But yeah, that was how everything went, and my story with ungrateful people. And that doesn't really stop me from being good. I'll continually being good to the right people who deserve it, because the world needs us. The world needs a lot of good people. So don't give up on your kind heart. Even though the world is as wicked as it is, don't give up. Keep showing up for people who need you. Keep being there for the ones that need you. Keep extending hands of help to those that need your help in every situation that you find yourself. And we are done. I was in Miami, chilling by the beach. Oof, I had so much fun, and this just saved me like $200, like literally $200. And I was looking all beautiful. Thank you guys for watching up until this point. And please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And know that you can do this yourself. Just put in that work. Take your time. And you'll have an amazing weekend. Bye.